So we just landed and the plane took forever to deplane basically. First of all, let's talk about the flight. Yeah, the flight was so bumpy. Like, it was just not fun. I slept and wake up so much time. And like every time it got bumpy or it went smooth, I woke up because there's such a difference in like the bumpy part and the smooth part. The landing was bumpy and aggressive. But I mean, otherwise it was okay. I think I got good people in my like the seats next to me, thank God. But yeah, it was okay. Mommy, how was the flight? Mommy didn't sit next to me, so I don't know what her experience was.
No, that's fine, except for some kids.
Yeah, the kids were annoying, but that's to be expected. And it was a full flight. It was, I don't think there were any empty seats. One. Yeah. So yeah, we're now at Toronto Pearson, and we basically, the plane was only letting off 50 people at a time. So because of that, we had to be on the plane for a little while. We are also behind. The flight is like 1 hour late. We got here 1 hour late because the plane left almost 45 minutes late from Mobay. So yeah, so being 1 hour late and then having to deplane in 50, like capacity of 50 people every time. And then now the issue that Toronto Pearson has been having with like baggage claim is the next obstacle that we're gonna have to go through. So I'm just hoping that it's not bad, like the baggage claim isn't bad, but I've been hearing really bad things over the last couple months. And I saw in the news too where they're saying that Pearson is like the worst right now in terms of delayed flights and stuff, which we experienced today. So we'll see what the baggage claim is like. Are we making a know? I'm out of breath, so bye. Okay, so this is what baggage claim is looking like right now. As you can see, there's no bags. The process to get in was pretty easy. It usually is very simple, unlike cough Jamaica. So now we're just waiting to see how long it's gonna take for the bags to come out. Okay, so the suitcases are coming out now, finally. I think it took us about 50 minutes since we got here. So they're coming.